Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Let's call this a New Product Wednesday. I'll show you something new. Check it out. It's a brush soaking cup. Stainless steel on the inside, very decorative, ornate on the outside. If you're into the macabre or just cool things like this, it'll be a nice way to spruce up your bathroom, don't you think? What you do, just fill it with hot water. It's the perfect size. Let me demonstrate. Hot water. See it in there? Here is the Simpson's Trafalgar T3, the largest of the Trafalgar brushes. Boom, right in there. And if you fill it 3/4 of the way, the water will cover the bristles and not even go up into the knot, which is good. You don't want to loosen the integrity of the knot. So 3/4 of the way, drop the brush in, you're styling. Let it soak for 30 seconds to a minute while you warm up your face, get ready for your shave, and then take out the brush, give it a couple shakes, you're ready to rock and roll with your shave. Size comparison, here's the Perazzo Omega brush, it's even bigger. Let's drop that in there. Fits in there no problem. Nice little accent on your sink top. Let the brush soak for 30 seconds to a minute while you warm your face and prepare for your shave. Take the brush out, give it a couple shakes, pour out the water, load up the tips of the brush, then go directly to your face and face lather, or grab your Shave Nation bowl, swirl in there down at the lather spot at the bottom, and generate luxurious amounts of lather. Nothing to it. If you want to pick up one of these, just click down under the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there, or go to ShaveNation.com. It'll be right up in front and center, front page of the website, right up at the top. Or go to the search box and enter SKULLY, S-K-U-L-L-Y, and it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving, and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Twins. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.